Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here I have a Pavoni lever machine which was brought in because a customer said simply just get it to work. So we found that it just needed a tune-up, it needed the gaskets replaced as well as the moving parts lubricated, and now here it is working once again. So we'll pull a shot, we'll raise the lever, leave it there for a few seconds to allow for pre-infusion, and then we'll lower the lever to pull the shot. Looking pretty good. A little slow, but our grind may be a little fine. But overall, looking good. And it's going to stop shortly hereafter at about 1 ounce. That's about the max volume for a group head of this size. And there it is. Perfect. La Pavoni now working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.